The 59th temple, Konkouzan Saishouin Kokubunji, is located in Imabari City, Ehime Prefecture. Instead of a traditional temple gate, visitors are greeted by a dignified and powerful stone pillar gate at the entrance to the grounds. Kokubunji has a resilient history, having been rebuilt each time after 4 devastating fires. The current main hall was reconstructed in 1789 during the late Edo period, and its details still showcase the refined craftsmanship. To the right of the main hall stands the revered Daishido Hall, which continues to draw many visitors to this day. One of the most captivating sights here is the Handshake Daishi. According to legend, if you hold the hand of the life-size statue of Kobo within the temple and make a sincere wish, it will come true. When you visit, please gently hold Kobo Daishi's hand and share your wish with him. Temples named Kokubunji can be found throughout Japan. In ancient Japan, the state sought to rule through Buddhism. So Kokubunji were established close to the local government, symbolizing the connection between the nation and the Buddhist faith. Temple number 59, York Kokubunji, is one of these historic sites. Having overcome many trials, it still preserves the dignity and atmosphere of its past and invites visitors.